Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito for Airtable app work. To begin authenticating with AWS Cognito for your Airtable app workflows, start by logging into your Navigate to the Cognito service. Click on Manage User Pools. Select Create a User Pool. Give your user pool a name that reflects its purpose. Choose the Review Defaults option for simplified setup. Click on Create Pool to finalize creating your user pool. After the pool is created, make note of your user pool ID and the AWS region. Next, navigate to App Clients under the General Settings. Click on Add an App Client. Name your app client appropriately and uncheck the Generate Client Secret option for simpler integration. Click on Create App Client to save your changes. Go to the Domain Name section to set up an OAuth 2.0 compliant domain. Enter a unique domain prefix and click Save Changes. Now, head to the App Client settings. Enable the Cognito. Set your callback URL to the Airtable redirect URI. Configure the sign-out URL as needed. Select the OAuth flows that align with your authentication method. Ensure all scopes you want to use are selected. Click Save Changes to apply your app client settings. Open the Airtable app and navigate to the scripting environment. Install the necessary libraries for AWS SDK if you haven't done so. Initialize the AWS SDK by using your Cognito user pool ID in AWS region. Implement the authentication logic using the Cognito API. Create user registration and authentication functions as needed. Test your authentication flow to ensure it reacts correctly to user input. Once confirmed, integrate this authentication process into your Airtable workflows. Finally, monitor and manage your Cognito user pool for optimal performance and security. With these steps, you will have successfully configured AWS Cognito for your Airtable app workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.